Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There is a kind of pain that many of us carry quietly. Conversations that went wrong, relationships strained, words we wish we could take back, silence we wish we could break. As Muslims, we are taught that our words matter, that the tongue can wound and it can heal, that Allah loves gentleness in all affairs. And yet, how often do we struggle to live that when emotions arise? This September 17 to 26, 2026, something extraordinary is happening in Bali, Indonesia. The Non-Violent Communication International Intensive Training, a 9-day immersive journey on compassionate communication. Nonviolent communication, founded by Marshall Rosenberg, is not just a method. It is a return to fitra, a return to mercy, a return to seeing the humanity in every person, even when we disagree. Our Ummah needs leaders of compassion, parents of emotional wisdom, teachers of empathy, spouses who know how to repair conflict. We need communication that reflects rahmah. If your heart longs to grow, if you want your speech to become sadaqah, join us this September 17 to 26, 2026, the Nonviolent Communication International Intensive Training in beautiful Bali, Indonesia. Come with intention, come with humility, come with dua, and live with tools that can transform your home, your community, and leadership. Insha'Allah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.